Hi, this video will show you how to translate messages with our app Fluentic for Zendesk. After installing our app, all you have to do is to go to the Zendesk ticketing view and choose a foreign ticket you want to translate. Our app will translate all incoming tickets automatically into English. Translations can be read as internal notes immediately below the customer's original message. Fluentic for Zendesk app will recognize the language automatically, and the app supports 77 languages. To reply to a ticket, switch to internal note. You will need to choose the desired app status either from the blue speech bubble icon in the reply editor or directly from the app. You have three choices. Translate and send to the customer will translate your message and send it automatically after the process. Or you can choose Translate as internal note, which will translate your message as an internal note. And as the default option, we have the Do Nothing, where the internal note works as a standard internal note. I will now choose Translate and Send to Customer. Now you will just have to type your answer to the internal note in English and click Submit. Our application will automatically choose the correct language for the translations. The AI translation will take a couple of seconds to finish, as it is creating the best possible quality for translation. You can see the progress on the application. As I just chose the Translate and Send to Customer option, the message was automatically sent to the customer. It's as simple as that. You have now been able to serve your customer in their own language. Thank you for watching.